Just me and my children.
Oh, wait. Where's Papa?
Ain't that you good?
How about you?
You been here today? Y'all come on in. Y'all come on in.
Y'all like to scare me.
He's not here. Ma'am, stay back. Stay back. 8 Thomas EMS now. 419 Magnolia. Hey, Thomas, need PD in route as well. Got 1 shot.
Put it in reverse, man.
I saw it.
102, 101.
What do you think I did?
They're on the way.
Go back to your house, ma'am.
All the change notified.
Ma'am.
My baby right there.
You need to go back in the house. Thomas, I need as many PD units as we can get for crowd control.
147, Thomas, 2 in route. 33 trap. 33 trap. 142, 147, 137, or 137, you took that area.
I got it, senor.
4 units, 33 traffic. 128, Thomas. 28? We need 1078, please. 2-4. 2-4-76.
I seen everything.
42. How far y'all out?
Jackson Autos on any unit closer. Washington State.
Sorry, man. You almost ran him over.
No, I watched. I got everything on video.
Y'all clear out the street! Y'all clear out the street! Clear out the street! Clear out the street!
EMS en route.
They need to go. He almost hit Keith and he almost hit Josh.
scene is secure and where the subject was shot.
Tell them to come on. They're good to go to come on in. Y'all got to get out of the way so the ambulance can come. Y'all see how that? Y'all got to move so the ambulance can come. Y'all? Y'all?
Yeah. Hey, y'all
Hey, you got crime scene tape? You got crime scene tape?
Clear, CID notified. Yeah. 23.
SO units. PD's got this north end of Hopkins and Magnolia taken care of. If y'all can come in on the south side of Magnolia and Hopkins, that'd be better.
42 going around South Street. 130, bring your tape with you. Correct. Safe for crowd control 37. Thomas, 23 on scene.
Just calm down. You're good.
47 scene cover.
I know, I saw it. You're
47, sit right here.
Everything's good.
Where's the shot?
No, no.
103 is 1023.
Is he the only one?
Is that a spine board? Where's that? Hey, where's that? Where's that?
Huh?
What do you need?
Suction.
Okay.
Shut up, dispatch.
112, 142.
Hey, I got 3 kids I need to get out of this house.
Which one? The search warrant was for that house.
That one? Well, the aunt just came up. 3 kids are here. They're 13 years old. Hey guys, can you open up? Your aunt's across the street. I think it's your aunt. Right over here. She's on the other side of that white car. She wants y'all to come over here with us, okay? There's the 3 of y'all. Okay, where's the 3rd one? Come on, bud. Come on, your aunt's here. She wants you across the street. That might be your mom. I thought she said she was your aunt.
Huh?
I hope his camera was running in his truck. I hope.
Well, I'm outside.
He'd like to run over me.
I know. I saw it. I saw it.
Hey, can y'all get the boy to come on out? I'll take these 2 over there.
Who is it? What's his name?
Jay.
Jay?
Come on, bud.
Where's he at?
He's right here. All right. Listen, brother, I know you upset. We got 3 hours. Come on. We got to bring her.
Y'all make sure there's a way to clear out that this ambulance out. Hang on!
Get you back to the PD, and so go ahead and move him. Keep what you got on right there. Let's go ahead and get you and get him on out.
My car's to see.
We can take mine.
But this one can't be moved. This has nothing to do with
I
it.
can't.
This is ours. This is
Oh, thank you.
Why is that car
We're
there?
coming here to do a search warrant.
Okay, that car got to stay there.
Okay.
There's another vehicle we could
Well, we got other cars here. There's plenty of cars.
EMS is coming through. We got any calls holding?
Use the 3 call at 505 Horseshoe.
Ready to get him out of here? Yeah. Can we take him out of here?
Is any party in 2023?
Hello?
Do you have a party 23 call?
The advisor there says he lives behind him. It's going to be a Martha Chestnut today.
Huh?
Alright, I'm there. It's about 30 minutes.
They're about to transport him. They're working on it. The officer, I have to go back to the city, back to the office. And so, as far as witnesses, I don't know.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we just start trying to gather everybody we can, witnesses? We know we can get all the SO guys over here.
Yeah.
Start doing that. Try to canvass and see if anybody saw anything. Okay? That way we can get those damn statements. I know it's going to be a pain in the ass, but we got to do it.
Here's gonna be, I gotta get the idea of this guy, cause gotta try to see if we notify his family.
Herbert Gilbert, he lives right there.
He lives right there. Anybody else in there? Family?
Yeah. We didn't even
Hey.
execute the search warrant yet. We ain't been in there.
Everybody been in
Hey.
there?
We had just got here when what happened.
We can't touch nothing. We gotta leave everything like that.
Bodycam's been on ever since prior to us getting here. It's still on. I can get back to the office and download it ASAP if you need it. It should have everything on there.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
You go ahead and get it
Go
downloaded
ahead and
before you
get
can
it
get it on it.
downloaded.
I'll go ahead and get it.
Go ahead and get out.
Y'all need that.